What can we learn from systems made of many interacting parts? This video showcases a selection of research presented at the ANTS 2026 conference. Inspired by bacteria, tumblenauts use simple stochastic motion to inspect space station environments. Together, many small robots can cover areas that would be difficult for one robot alone. ANTS will also feature hands-on swarm systems. Dotbots is a public testbed of 1,000 ground robots for developing swarm intelligence algorithms in research and teaching. Other swarms learn to organize themselves in the wind, forming aerodynamic patterns and switching leaders to extend their operating time. These robots behave like sheepdogs. They reposition around a flock of virtual sheep, focusing on individuals most likely to escape and guiding the group toward a goal. Here, robots explore by bidding on the most promising viewpoints, meaning the ones expected to reveal the most unseen space, while keeping the team connected by line of sight. Other systems study how a team can distribute itself over complex surfaces. Each drone computes its own position from shared local information, producing coordinated coverage without a central controller. For fixed-wing aerial swarms, coordination is especially challenging because the vehicles cannot simply stop and wait. Distributed predictive control helps them move as a team while preserving communication links. This work closes the loop between honeybees and swarm robotics. By testing bee-cluster-inspired ideas in real bee groups, it shows how biological swarms can both inspire and refine artificial swarm models. ANTS also looks at how humans interact with collectives. Immersive interfaces can help one operator guide and supervise multiple drones in real time. But the best-performing team is not always the one humans prefer. This work shows that people may rather collaborate with robot swarms they perceive as warm and competent. From human interaction to industrial systems, physics-based simulation environments are enabling new research in magnetic levitation, contactless manipulation, and high-speed collaborative robotics. And beyond land and air, swarms are coordinating on the water, forming marine vehicle formations even in confined environments. With over 100 presentations, including invited talks and lightning talks, ANTS 2026 reaches beyond disciplines and communities to explore fresh perspectives on swarm intelligence. Join us from the 8th to the 10th of June 2026 in Darmstadt, the City of Science.